cylinder tank of radius 7 meter and height 3 meter is made from a sheet of metal. Closed cylinder means what? Cylinder which is closed from the top and the bottom. नीचे થી भी बंद છે, ઉપર થી भी बंद છે. એને કહેવાય closed cylinder. Right? એને બનાવવામાં આવે છે કેનાથી? મેટલ ના સ્ટીલ થી, સ્ટીલ મેટલ થી, રાઈટ? એને બનાવે છે. આગળ જો. How much sheet of metal is required? હવે આ બનાવવા માટે કેટલું મેટલ વપરાશે એ ફાઇન્ડ આઉટ કરો. એક પેપર આપો. ના રફ થઈ જાઓ કોઈ. Consider this is a cylinder, right? Cylinder છે, નીચે થી બંધ છે, ઉપરથી भी બંધ છે. કન્સિડર કરવાનું, રાઈટ? અત્યારે બંધ નથી, પણ બંધ કરી દો, સમજવાનું. બનાવવાનું આપણે શા રીતે બનાવવાનું છે? મેટલ શીટ, રાઈટ? હવે મેટલ શીટ બનાવવાનું હોય તો ફર્સ્ટ ઓફ ઓલ કેટલા પોર્શન મારે જોશે? તો પહેલા તો આ પોર્શન જોશે, જે વાળું છું ઈ. આ કયો પોર્શન છે? શું કહેવાય? કટ સરફેસ એરિયા, રાઈટ? તો કટ સરફેસ એરિયા મારે જોશે પ્લસ ઉપરનો એરિયા કયો છે? સર્કલ, રાઈટ? અને નીચેનો એરિયા શું છે? સર્કલ. તો હું એમ કહી શકું કે એરિયા ઓફ ધ સ્ટીલ, મેટલ સ્ટીલ required is equal to curved surface area plus 2 into area of circle. Can I say? Right? Or directly I can write area of the metal sheet required is equal to total surface area of cylinder. Can I say? Total means all the portion. Right? तो बस आज છે આપણે લખવાનું છે એરિયા of metal sheet required is equal to total surface area of cylinder. Right? And what is the formula for total surface area of cylinder?
2 pi r into bracket h
2 pi r into bracket h plus r. They have given us radius is equal to 7 meter, height is equal to 3 meter, and pi they have given us no. So we will take 22 by 7. Whenever they are not given 22 by 7, we will take. Okay, they have not given 3.14, so we will take 22 by 7 by default. 2 into bracket 22 by 7 into r is 7 meter, you can see, into bracket h is 3 plus 7 here, 7 here will cancel out. We will have 22 2s are 44 into bracket 10 is equal to 440. It is in meter, so we will write meter square. Lastly we will write therefore area of metal sheet required is equal to 440 meter square. Understood? Right? Any doubts? No? Let us move further. Question number 9, sorry 8. Lateral surface area of a cylinder is 4224 centimeter square. What they have given us? Lateral surface area. And what is lateral surface area of cylinder? It is known as circumference of the circle. Right? Circumference of the circle is 4224 centimeter square. Let us move further. It is cut along its height and formed a rectangular sheet of width 33 centimeter. Now let me show you. Lateral surface area of the hollow cylinder. Hollow cylinder means nothing on the top, nothing on the bottom. This is hollow cylinder, right? This curved surface area, lateral surface area means curved surface area they have given us, right? What is it? 4224 centimeter square. Now if I am cutting from here, I am cutting it and opening it. Follow through, right? What I got? Rectangle. Now its width they have given us 33 centimeter, right? It is centimeter now?
Yes.
33 centimeter. Now let us see what they are asking. Find the perimeter of the rectangular shape. Now the rectangular shape which we form, we have to find the perimeter. Perimeter, what is perimeter? Sum of all the sides. And what is the formula for perimeter? 2 into bracket L plus B. Now if you calculate 2 into bracket L, do you have L over there? No. That means we are supposed to find L into B. B is breadth, and breadth is what? 33 that we have got. So the condition is only R, right? Sorry, only L. And L, where we will get? We will get from the hint which we got in the first one, right? So I will write like this. Question number 8. Vector surface area of cylinder is equal to 4224 centimeter square, right? And vector surface area is nothing but curved surface area. What is curved surface area? 2 pi r h. 2 pi r h. 2 pi r h is equal to 4224 centimeter square. See, h means height of the cylinder, right? When I am cutting it, what it will become? This is height. What is it becoming? Width, right? So can I write? Therefore, 2 pi r into b. Can I write? Into b is equal to 4224 centimeter square. Breadth they have given us. I will keep 2 pi r as it is. I will take b in the denominator, but b they have given us. What is width? 33 centimeter. 33 centimeter. Centimeter here and square will cancel out. 33 ones are 33. What will left? 9. So it will become 92. 33 twos are will become 66. 66 plus 4 70. 70 plus 22. What we will get? 26 will be left. So 264 here it will be. If I calculate 33, I want 4 at the end. So I will multiply with 8 because 8 threes are will get me 4 at the end. So let us try and see if we get 8 threes are 24. 8 threes are 24 plus 2 26. So finally we will get 33 8s are. And what is that? That is 2 pi r is equal to 128 centimeter. Now see carefully. What is 2 pi r? Can you recognize 2 pi r?
Yes.
What is it? It is the circumference of the circle. Circumference. What is circumference? This boundary of the cylinder. It is in the shape of circle, right? So boundary is known as 2 pi r. So when I am opening it, right? When I am opening it, what it will become? 11. Right? So finally, can I write? Therefore, but I will write. But 2 pi r is circumference of the circle which when opened will become length of rectangular shape. Therefore, L is equal to 128 centimeter. Till now, okay? Now we have got L, we know breadth, right? So we can write perimeter of rectangular shape is equal to, what is the formula? 2 into bracket L plus B. 2 into bracket, what is L? L is 128 and what is breadth? 33. 2 into bracket 120 plus 30, 150. 158 plus 3, 161. If you multiply 161 into 2, what you will get? 322. Right? Am I right? 322 centimeter. Please check the answer. Correct side. So finally we will write therefore perimeter of rectangular shape is equal to 322 centimeter. Understood?
इशारा करो.
Question number 9. A road roller takes 750 complete revolution to move once over to level road. Right? Find the area of the road if the diameter of the roller is 84 centimeter and length is 1 meter. Consider this is a road roller. Wheel of the road roller. Perfectly cylindrical shape, right? So consider this is a road roller, right? Wheel of that road roller. Now it is leveling the road. Consider this is a road. Now it is leveling the road. Now once if it is revolving, if it is taking one rotation, which area, I want to ask you a question, right? Which area is in contact with the road? This area of the cylindrical portion of roller is in contact with road. Which area? Curved surface area, right? Curved surface area. So it is taking 750 rotations. This is just one rotation. If it is taking 750 rotation, then find the area of road. They have given us two things, that is diameter. Diameter of the road roller is 84 centimeter. So we are supposed to find radius also. So radius is diameter divided by 2, that is 42 centimeter. And length is 1 meter. You can't find if they have different units. Centimeter, one is centimeter, one is meter. So what will it will become? 1 meter is 100 centimeter. So definitely 1 meter I have written 100 centimeter. Now coming to the area of the road. As I have told, it will rotate 750 times. It will rotate 750 times to level the road, right? That means I can write 750 times the curved surface area of the cylinder.
Yes.
Area of the road is equal to 750 times the curved surface area of the cylinder, right? So this is we are supposed to write like this. Area of the road is equal to 750 into curved surface area of road. Sorry, roller. Wheel. Roller. Which is nothing but cylinder, right? So we can write 750 into 2 pi r h. What surface area is 2 pi r h. So 750 into 2 into 2 into they have given pi, value of pi not given. So 22 by 7. R is 42 and H is 100. 7 ones are 7, 6 are 750 into 44. 22 into 4, 22 into 2, 44. 600 are 600. Now we are supposed to multiply 44 into 600. 44 into 6. 6 4s are 24. 6 4s are 24 plus 2. 264. This will give me 26400 because it is multiplied by 600, not 6. Now the remaining portion we are supposed to multiply with the 750. So we will multiply 26,400 with 750. 0 will not be considered right now. 5 0 0 20 6 5 are 30 32 5 4 are 10 13. Okay. 7 7 4 are 28. 7 6 are 42 44. 7 2 are 14 and 4 18. And the 0 of 750. So this will be our answer in centimeter square. 19850, right? Understood? Now this is the area which road roller covered. This is the area of the road. Okay, but it is in centimeter square. What if they want us in meter square? What we will do? See, 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter, right? Therefore, if I am squaring both, so what I will get? 10,000 centimeter square is equal to 1 meter square, right? Right? So what will be 198 and 5 zeros centimeter square is equal to, we will cross multiply and divide 10,000. So 198 divide by 10,000, 4 zeros will cancel out. So we will left with 1980 meter square. Understood? Now which answer is given back side? I don't know. If it is this, you will write this. If it is this, then you will write that. If any doubts, you can go.